Hello, welcome to my channel. We have been solving the past papers. So right now I have this mathematics paper 2. You can see, and it is from October-November 2025. Okay, let's jump on to the question number 1. Okay, here you go. It's pretty simple. The temperature at 4 a.m. is -12 and 4 p.m. is 21. Find the increase in temperature from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. Okay, you see, uh, increase in temperature or uh, change in temperature. So same thing. Okay, how do you calculate it? It's always final temperature minus initial temperature. Okay, so remember this thing that whenever we have to find change in any variable, so we do the final value minus initial value. Okay, so final value is 21 minus initial value is minus 12. It will become 21 plus 12, so which is 33. Okay, so the answer is 33 degrees centigrade. I hope it's clear. Find all the common factors of 8 and 12. Okay, what are the factors of 12? You can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and then 12. And what are the factors of 8? It is 1, 2, 4, and 8. Right? If you look at the common factors, 1 is common among them, 2 is also common, and 4 is also common. That's it. No other factor is common. So the common factors of 8 and 12 are 1, 2, and 4. Clear? Okay. A cuboid has length, width, and height so much. Work out the volume. Okay, you know the volume. How do we calculate the volume of a cubical shape? Is you just multiply all the three sides. So here we have to multiply 6 with 5 with 2.5. Am I right? We have to do this calculation without calculator. So 6 times 5 is 30 times 2.5. Okay, one easy way is that I divide this thing, it will become 3, and I multiply with 10, it will become 25. Right? Since I divide and multiply with the same number, so it doesn't matter, we have the same answer. And 25 times 3 is 75. And it is everything was centimeter, so it is going to be 75 cubic centimeter. Okay? Okay, a computer cost $560. In a sale, this cost is reduced by 20%. Okay, so how much is the reduction? The reduction in price, it is 20% off 560. So 20% means 20 over 100 of 560, right? So one zero cancel with one zero, and the other zero cancel with this zero. So I have 56 times 2. So yeah, 112. Okay, so what is the cost or the reduced cost? Originally it was 560, so the reduction, 20% reduction is 112. So uh, 560 minus 112, 4, and the 444, 448. So the new price is going to be $448. Clear? I hope there should be no confusion here. Okay, the pie chart shows some information about the way 600 students travel to school. Okay, So total number of students that travel is 600. This is important. Work out the number of students that walk to school. So the number of students who walk to the school is 90 degree, right? In this pie chart, this is 90 degree. Okay, so number of students, number of students who walk to the school. Okay, so how do we calculate? Out of 600, what is the ratio of, what is the portion of 90 as compared to 360, right? So 90 over 360. 90 over 360 is 1 over 4. So 600 divided by 4, it's going to be 150 students. Okay. Okay. Now, next question. 120 of the students travel to the school by car. Okay. So, okay. You see, so, sorry. By car, the students travel is 120. If I use the same idea, right? So it is 600 is the total students. I do not know what's the angle for that corresponds to 120. Remember, this 90-degree corresponds to people walking, but for traveling by car, I know the number of students, but I do not know the angle. So 120 is equal to 600 times x over 360. Make sense? This is multiplication. So let me put a bracket here, not to confuse with the two x's. Okay, so from here, what is this x equal to? You see 120 and 360 will multiply it, and we will divide it by 600. Make sense? Okay, so 10 cancel with 10, the other 0 cancel with other 0. 6 times 2 is 12, and 36 times 2 is 72. So x is equal to 72 degree. Okay, so in this pie chart, 72 degree will represent the number of students who travel by car. Okay, the remaining students travel by bus. Okay, so how many students travel by bus? You see, total is 360 degree, right? From this 360, 90 walk, right? 90 students walk, and then 60 students travel by bicycle, and 72 students travel by car. So this will give you the number of students travel by bus. Make sense? So 90 plus 60 plus 72. This would be 360 minus, and when you add them all together, 90 plus 60 plus 72. So this is 2. No, 22. 22. 22 or 122. No, some buys. Yeah. So this is 222 and 360 minus. I think I'm making some mistake. Uh, 360 minus 222. So that's 5 and 138. Yes, it is correct. Okay, so 138 degree is for the students traveling by bus. Okay, I hope this is all clear. Now let's move on to question number 6. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, uh, we have this A, B, C, D, a quadrilateral, right? And DE is a point in on this line such that uh, this DE is equal to AE. That's why this line shows this one, right? And this arrow shows that this DE, D, sorry, EA line is parallel to CB line. Okay, so let's try to find out all the angles. Since this is parallel to this one, so this angle is 80. This must be 80 as well. Make sense? If this is 80, then this should be 100 because the sum has to be 180 degree on a straight line. Okay, now ADE triangle, since this side is equal to this side, so this angle must be equal to this angle. Okay, out of 180 degree, a triangle has 180, all three angles sum to 180 degree. So 180 degree, this is 80. So these two has to be sum up to 100. So they must be 50 and 50. Make sense? Okay, so now we know almost all the angle except this one, right? Okay, consider the equilateral A, B, C, and E. Okay, you can consider this one, or you can consider bigger one as well. Okay, if I take A, B, C, E, what are the inner angles? This is 75 plus 80 and plus 100. Sorry, I wrote 80, 180 is 100. Okay, so this sum up to 5 and 225. So this, the all four angles sum up to 360. So B has to be 360 minus 255. So 10 by 5, and this is 0 and 1. Okay, so this is 105. Okay, now angle ABC, okay, we just found it. It is 105 degree. Angle AED, this is 80 degree because these two lines are parallel. Remember, this is parallel to this one, so this angle has to be equal to this one. Okay, angle DAB. So this is total 75 plus 50 is 125. So this angle is 125. Okay, I hope everything is clear in this question. Now, represent the inequality x is between -4 and 3. 3 is included, -4 is not included. So what I do, I will I will color the line from -4 to 3. Okay, but how will I show that 4 is not included and 3 is included? So 3, I put a dot and I will circle it. I mean, I will make it solid. And 4, I will make a circle, but I leave it empty. So it means that 4 is not included, but 3 is included. Okay. Okay, let's stop over here. Seven question. I hope you understand every question. If you ever have any question, you can always ask me in the comment section. If you find these videos helpful, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.